What is up, my veggies? My name is VeggieTales, and welcome back to Cartoon Network Punch Time Something Explosion. I don't remember the actual title of the game. I'm not alone for this video, though. I am not alone. I'm here once again with...
Yo!
Cody! And we are playing this. He has no idea how to play.
I don't even know what this is. He has yet to tell me anything about this.
It's pretty much... all Cartoon Network shows are together, pretty much.
Oh, great.
It's a good game, though. I enjoy it. It was really cheap on the PSN store.
Alright.
But I enjoy it.
Tennyson.
Okay, press X to choose your character. I have to. You can only be either Chowder or Buttercup.
Chowder and kimchi.
Hit X again. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this!
Why are we only those two characters?
Because I haven't unlocked the rest for the story.
I don't know.
I'm Buttercup.
Okay, so I have to read what they're saying. That's what we... I'd actually just...
Like to go home now.
I can't... You read it.
I'll try. I think we can all find the answers we're looking for. We can catch
Vilgax.
Vilgax is one slippery customer.
See, why is the narrator getting to talk? We have to read their
He
dialogue.
has a squid face.
Yeah, but you want to try the controls? X is to jump. Do not fall. Let me ask you a question. Does this remind you of anything? The way this game looks? You ever played Super Smash Bros?
A little bit.
It reminds you of that, don't it?
A little bit.
It says jump is X.
What the heck?
Jump is X. Your normal attack is square. And like another attack, so you can grab people with square, and triangle is like a ultra attack. So you pretty much got it down.
Yeah! Oh shoot!
Yeah, don't fall.
Like you did.
Now fight. You're just jumping over the guys. No, not again. Okay, it's kind of hard to see where your character is in this game sometimes. This is my first time playing two-player in the story mode. Oh. Take this, you stupid, whatever you are. Don't fall.
I should have chose Buttercup.
Yeah, Buttercup is a better character than Chowder. Maybe the next level.
Yeah. I will not fall.
It makes.
Meteor.
I'm guessing. Wait. I think. Wait. Take this and this, and a little bit of this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you dare fall. Okay, let's see where I just died. Okay, they're dead. Come on, let's go. Wait. Oh no, we gotta fight two more. I mean, one more. There's nothing else here though. Do you see anything else?
No.
Except for that flying thing back there.
Oh wait.
Something is like firing. We both just died. Okay, check them out, come on. Are you not going to use a different attack, really?
Hey, don't fix what ain't broken.
It's kind of annoying to do that burp over and over again, though. Don't you think?
We did it, let's move.
Oh, we did it. I think it glitched out earlier.
Yeah.
Those burps are no! I already know what the title of this video is going to be!
I should have picked a flying alien!
I already know what the name of this video is going to be.
What's it gonna be?
It is going to be... burps are annoying. I think. Maybe what I'm going to title this video. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm better apparently.
Well, my character's got better attacks!
And yet you keep falling off cliffs.
Shut up. Come on, let's go.
Wait.
We don't have to kill them all.
I want to.
There, he's dead. You happy?
Quiet.
Oh, that sounded simplistic. Jesus, what is that?
I don't know. Speed it up.
Okay, come on. End of the level? Really?
I'm hoping so.
Press X to jump. Oh! Oh,
Where the heck am I?
You're in this thing with me.
Okay, don't crash.
Oh, I just crashed.
I should have picked.
I got this. No! No! Wait, I wonder if I hold it down longer, if I'll jump higher.
Maybe.
Oh! No! No! Yeah, I made it. That was a close one. I don't even care about hitting the crates. That was a big jump.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was broken. I keep on thinking they're broken. They're not. That was lucky. That was lucky. Okay.
I feel like we were lucky every time you were not dead.
Let's. Okay. We got this. We got this. We got this together.
We made it.
Mind your manners.
Oh,
it's so cringy. So cringy.
Good job this game has its moments.
No. What the heck? What are those guys?
I don't know. I want to change my.
Oh, I'm scared. They're scared. Okay.
I want to change my character so
I
bad.
gotta finish this level first.
Alright.
The first few levels of this game weren't that long. Hopefully this one isn't either. The enemies are starting to get stronger. No! Are those drums?
I'm a boss! I'm a boss!
Oh my gosh!
How am I better at this than you?
Shut up, you're not better than me. I use my power. Alright. Oh, you see that? You see that? Look at me! Yeah, jealous.
Not really.
Read it.
Breaking out the big guns, sweet.
Okay.
Does anyone know how to use this thing? Yeah, you just point it and shoot it. Shoot it at anything in your way.
Hi.
I think I'm going to need to know more than that.
Lock and load.
Is this like another little
Aim and
mini
use
game?
the turret to destroy any obstacles in your way.
Oh, so
This
what
is
Buttercup
going to
said.
be-
Wait, where'd you go?
I don't get to do this. You get to, don't you?
Okay, so I better just
Don't die.
just jump on it, or?
I don't know.
Oh, there we go. Oh crap, this is how it works. Please tell me this gets more difficult. I don't want this to be this easy. I have moving. Oh! What do I do? That's all the things that we got.
Lock and load.
I wish you the best of luck.
Oh wait, and I get off of it and I jump to those platforms. That makes sense. Yeah, this is gonna be a little more difficult than I thought it was gonna be.
It's just me here. It doesn't remind anyone else of invaders.
Oh no.
Jump! You gotta get out of there! Get out of there! Hurry up and get back before it starts to leave
Oh
you.
no.
It's gonna leave you! It's gonna leave you!
This is difficult actually. This is harder than it looks, guys. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it.
Jump for it!
That was close. That was a close one.
I think I saw one hit you.
So did I. That was a close one.
No kidding.
And I'm gonna go ahead and get off this ahead of time. Ah! Oh, that's the end of it.
Ha 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 ha! Close up.
There you go. Now you're back.
Yay, I'm back. Burping power.
I hate burps.
You're just jealous because you don't have the burping power. See, that's a one-hit kill. What?
But do you have this? Do you have this?
How do I use my special ability?
Try going like this.
Flying alien!
No! Okay, thank goodness.
Well, it is an old tentacle lips. Volgax, I knew you'd be here.
Okay.
Can we ride through the cave again? That was fun. Of course, Chowder not knowing what's going on.
I haven't seen that show in years. Well, that's the end of the level.
Yay, now I can change my character to an actual fighting type.
Yeah, I think Buttercup would be a better... Ooh, trophy! We got a trophy!
Big money.
Big money, money, money!
Could I be Ben 10 as well?
Don't.
Buttercup.
I think Buttercup is like, out of the characters we have, is like the second best
Tennyson.
character. Wait. Oh, yeah.
It's a color. What's with...
Oh, I don't have to be Ben. I thought I had to be.
No, you can be Ben, Chowder,
But
or...
I thought
What's the color thing?
You ready?
Yeah, let's wreck some guys!
Recording. I think we'll do one more level.
Huh?
I think we'll do one more level.
Alright, what's going on?
What?
Hey,
Time to end. I agree, Tennyson, so I brought a friend along to end you.
It's always someone from another show, isn't it? Oh, no.
Kevin? Hurt your best friend, or let him attack you. Either way, you choose, I win.
It's Kevin Levin, and he looks like he fell from the ugly alien tree and hit every ugly alien friend on the way down.
That's just...
And then sat in it for a while. What I'm saying is he's really ugly looking. I hope someone on Primus has paid up their property insurance.
Really?
I know he's hard to look at, so try to be pretty back into it.
He's gonna be hard in the feet.
It's a boss fight! Yeah.
Well, yeah, normally big old health bars mean boss fight. Jesus, bro!
Get wrecked!
Come on, you get him from one side, I get him from the other. This is going easier than expected. He's not even moving, he's staying in one spot the whole time.
You're just switching spots.
Is it just me or does his health go up? I just died from jumping.
I died from drowning.
I threw those the wrong way. What the? Ow! Buddy, that hurt!
Took a roll!
Oh no. Whoa!
It's Gwen! How'd he get bigger?
Oh, crap.
He's much bigger.
Oh, she's here with us too.
Wait, Gwen! Shield!
Listen, how do we have to attack him now? Oh, we get in the shield.
I'm trying to get in the shield.
Oh, no,
I got it! Yeah!
Okay, this is actually creative.
Over here.
I'm safe.
Over here.
You're safe. His hands are stuck in this one. No, it's not. Come on, get your hands stuck at the end. Yes! No, I want to do something!
And do something.
I was.
I'm a hero.
is one of my
Round
villains.
kick his face. Oh, she. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Let's do this.
You got this, come on. Whoa, what the heck?
Oh, I know what to do. Hit his face. Ground kick him in the face.
We did it!
I called it.
We did it. Oh, there he is, normal. I'm guessing you said I'm alright, I'm alright.
Dude.
Ben, what happened?
Huh.
Relax. You're on Primus. Volgax did something to you to turn you against us.
Yeah.
What? Oh, Green Jeans did this to me? Raymond
so
hates
stupid.
these names.
That's so stupid. That joke was so stupid.
I can't remember.
Hi, I'm Chowder.
Yeah.
Whoa, what planet is that thing from? Chowder is a friend from another dimension.
Dude.
Hello, purple dude. Wait,
Huh.
Kevin?
Here it comes again. Wonder where this train is headed.
Oh, it's gone like actual
Wait,
2D
what's
style.
Yeah.
What we got here?
Dexter.
Dexter!
He's done it. Maybe. What is this thing?
I don't know. But Flapjack!
Oh,
Good
why?
idea, Dexter. Get Flapjack inside your capsule before something terrible happens.
I thought he
Something
had.
like being attacked by pirates.
That's from the kids next door.
Yeah, I was wondering, Captain Candy Bear? Candy? Alright, let's do this.
It's hero time!
So do we have Dexter unlocked
Ben
now?
10 Fin. I don't know. We might have Gwen unlocked as well. If we do.
I don't think Gwen is a character we can play as.
Oh, we got
have
Flapjack.
Flapjack. We don't have. So I guess we're gonna unlock them in order they are on the.
We
screen.
can't play as anyone else.
Well, we can't. We can play as Kevin. Did you see him down there?
What? No. Like we can't.
I mean, like when we unlock him.
Yeah, I mean, we can play as a lot. We can play as Young Ben.
There. Oh, that's cool. Some classic aliens.
It would seem.
But how long I've been recording? I think we will leave this off here.
All right.
I think I've been recording a good while.
All right. Next time, you may see the twin Flapjacks take on the world.
So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, what should you do? You should tap that like button. And you should also subscribe, and you should maybe leave me a comment down there in the comments section. And guys, link to my Twitter, my Instagram, my deviant art, my Tumblr, and my Dailymotion
Raymond.
will all be down there in that description. Just like
Raymond.
always. Shut up. It's always down there. Just like always, go check it out. Click on, go follow me on all those things. Just go check me out. You get some more. You get plenty more VeggieTales Raymond over there. On those platforms. So not just here.
Also, comment if you think you should end that differently.
Yeah, I normally don't end it this way.
I know, like a vote. Never do it again.
So guys, and do not forget to hit the notification button to be notified when I upload videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
See ya.